Hello everyone. Today let us know about the project Tours and Travels Booking System. So you can see the zipped file. Let us extract the zipped file. You can see the file is extracting and the folder is created. So once the extraction is completed, we can open the folder. So let us open the folder. Inside the folder we can see database backup. So this includes the SQL file, which is the database of the project, and source code includes all the PHP files which are required to execute the project. Now let us copy this source code folder and let us paste this in C drive inside the XAMPP folder, inside the htdocs folder. Let us paste this here. This is because I have installed XAMPP control panel in the C drive. Wherever you have installed, you can paste in that particular drive. The source code includes all the PHP files. Now let us copy the name of this folder. Let us start the XAMPP control panel and let us start Apache and MySQL server. So these are the two servers which are required to execute the PHP projects. Open the browser and in the browser type localhost / and paste the name of the folder source code. So this is the project. You can see unknown database Athithi Devo Bhava. This is because we have not imported the database. Let us import the database by typing localhost / php myadmin. So this will open the MySQL server. Clicking on databases, you must write the name of the database. The name of the database is Athithi Devo Bhava here. Click on create. Once the database is created, since we have the database, we have to import the database what we have. Click on choose file. Go to the folder and inside the folder we have database backup and you can find Athithi Devo Bhava SQL file. Remember the name of the database as well as this file must be same. Click on go. This might take some time to import. Once the file has been imported, you can see all the tables present in that particular database. So you can see there are 22 tables in the database Athithi Devo Bhava. This is because we have given the name of the website as Athithi Devo Bhava. You can give any name as you wish. Click on refresh and now you can see that there is no error in the project. So the tours and travels booking project, here the customers can book hotels for various different tourism places where they want to travel. And there is also a chat option to chat with the staff of the web page. By searching the hotel in different locations, they can view all the details of the hotels as well as the locations. The web page is used by the admin, staff as well as the customers. Now let us log in as the staff. That is, let us log in as the admin of the web page. The admin must log in using the login ID and the password. Once the admin logs in, the dashboard is available where the admin can view the details of all the records. Under user panel in my profile, here the admin or the staff can make changes to their account details, and in change password, the admin or the staff can change their password. They must enter the existing, new and the old password. Under add staff, here the admin can add the other staffs for the website. The admin must mention their name and the staff type, whether the staff is an employee or the administrator must be selected, and the login ID and the password of the staff must be entered by the admin. So this can be changed by the employee later, but to log in the admin must provide the login ID and password. On clicking on submit, staff detail will be inserted, and this can be viewed under view staff. So we can view the different employees as well as the administrators here. So this can be viewed by the admin. Tourism place. In this panel under add tourism location. So here the different tourism locations will be added by the staff or the admin. The admin must enter the location name, then the image of the location must be entered, and the description about that particular location must be entered. On selecting the status as active and clicking on submit, the tourism location will be inserted to the database, and this can be viewed under view tourism location. So the various tourism locations can be viewed, and we can see what are the places available to view in that particular location can also be viewed. So Kashmir 2 locations, which means in the web page there are 2 locations of Kashmir where the users can visit. Under add tourism place, here by selecting the location, the admin must add the tourism places, which means the places to visit for the customers. The tourism place name must be mentioned, and the description about that particular tourism place must be entered. And what are the features of the tourism place? So why that tourism place is very famous in that particular location, that can be explained under feature. So here we have entered Taj Mahal, which is in Agra, and the description is given that it resembles love, and under feature there is a history about Taj Mahal, and the history is very nice. On clicking on submit, the tourism place is added, and this can be viewed under view tourism place. So we can see the place which we have added, and the admin can edit the data as well as the admin can delete this, and under gallery admin can upload the photo of that particular tourism place. Admin must select whether it is a photo or the video, then upload the file. In the file, if it is a photo, photo must be selected. If it is a video, video must be selected. Then in note, more information about the picture can be given. On clicking on submit, the photo will be inserted to the database, and we can see under the location Agra in the tourism place Taj Mahal, we can view this picture. In view tourism place, all the tourism places added can be viewed, and we can see the gallery is updated with one, which means there is one image inserted. Under hotel panel, here the admin must add the different hotels by selecting the locations. So under which location what are the hotels available, that must be entered by the admin. The hotel name must be entered, then the type of the hotel is required, whether it is a hotel, whether it is a villa, whether it is a restaurant, and the description about that particular hotel, and the address of the hotel, pin code. Along with the pin code, map of the hotel location is also necessary so that the customers can view the location. And hotel policies, so most of the hotels will have their own policies that can be mentioned in this. So that might be the check-in time or the check-out time, as well as the things that can be brought to the hotel. On clicking on submit, the hotel record will be inserted, and this can be viewed under view hotel. So here we can see the different locations and the hotel names that comes under different locations, and now we can see the image, faculty and the room type, and there is edit option for the admin and delete option as well as the view option. On clicking on view, the admin can view the details and we can see the room type facilities. Since we have not added any image or we have not inserted any room types, it is not available. So now let us add the image. To add the image, click on upload image. To add the image, the room type is necessary and we have not inserted the room type. So before adding the image, room type must be added. To add the room type, click on add room type. Room type must be entered here and max adults, which means maximum adults that can be present on the room, and maximum children that can be there on the room. So the room can contain 4 members here, where 2 adults as well as 2 children. And the cost of the room, the number of rooms available in the hotel must be entered and status must be selected as active. Once the room type is inserted, it can be viewed. So now let us add one more room type here. So let us add deluxe room without breakfast. And maximum adults, let it be 2 and maximum children 2. The cost is 2500 and number of rooms available is 10 here. So select the status as active and click on submit. So we have added 2 types of rooms. Now on refreshing, we can see there are 2 types of rooms available and the admin can edit the details as well as they can delete. So on refreshing on the view page, we can see that room type where you can see updated to 2, that is because we have added 2 room types. Now let us add the facility. So facilities, what are the different facilities available in the hotel? So click on add hotel facility. To add the facility, we must select the room type and then must enter the facility available in that particular room. So here TV is available, so we can also write iron box is available or Wi-Fi available, and select the image, then select the status as active and click on submit. So the hotel facility record is added now. So let us refresh and you can see the hotel facility which is updated to 1, which was 0 before. Now let us add the image. So click on upload image. Select the room type, then choose the hotel image. The image description can be written. The more information about the hotel image can be given here. Select the status as active and click on submit, and the hotel image is updated now. So we can view the hotel image is updated to 1. So we have entered all the data. Now let us click on view. So on viewing, now we can see the image of the hotel and we can also see there are 2 types of rooms available. We can also see the cost and the facilities. TV is available in the deluxe room with breakfast. So this is how the admin can add the room types and the hotel details. Under food item, in add food category. So not only the hotel, the admin must also add the food types that are available in the hotel. The food category must be entered. So what are the different categories of food available? And select the status as active and click on submit, and the food category is inserted, and under view food category we can view the different food categories available. So the admin can also delete or edit these. Under add food item, here by selecting the location, that is the location, and then the hotel must be selected and the item name, that is what is the food item that can be served to the customers. Then the image of that food item must be selected. Then the food category, so that food item comes under which food category, that is also required. Then the item description, that is the food item information, more information on that food item, why it is special in that particular hotel or why it is special in that particular location, that can be given in the description. Then what is the cost for that particular food item? Then the status must be selected as active and click on submit, and the item will be added to the database. So this can be viewed under view food item. So the admin can view this, view various food items that are available. The admin can also edit or delete these records. So the admin can view various food items, the cost, and this can be changed as the time goes. Under vehicles, under add vehicle. So here the vehicle is required for the customer to move to different tourist locations. Hence the different vehicles can be added here. The admin must select the location, then must select the hotel, and what is the vehicle available in that hotel must be entered, and the image of the vehicle must be entered. Then what is the cost for kilometer in that using that particular vehicle must be entered. So what is the charge per kilometer for traveling in that particular vehicle. So once the vehicle details are entered, it can be viewed under view vehicle. So we can view the different vehicles available in different locations under different hotels, and the admin can edit and delete. Under gift coupon panel, here the admin can give the coupons for different customers as well as based on the feedback. So gift coupons to customers, here the admin must select the customer, then must enter the coupon code, and the expire date of the coupon must be entered. And what is the discount percentage, and what is the maximum limit, that is how many times the coupon can be used, and what is the reason for giving the coupon to this particular customer must be entered, and click on submit, and the gift coupon will be generated for that particular customer. So this can be viewed, the gift coupon is generated, and you can see it is unused. When the customer uses it, it will be changed to used. Under gift coupon for feedback, so by viewing the feedback, if the admin feels happy, then the admin can grant the gift coupon for the customer, and same way the gift coupon code must be entered, the expiry date must be entered, the percentage of discount, and what is the maximum limit, and what is the reason. So we saw that the particular customer has given 5 ratings, and for the good ratings the admin has granted the coupon. So we can view that coupon grant here. The different coupons given by the admin to different customers can be viewed here. The admin also has the right to edit or delete these details. In view gift coupon, so here all the gift coupons given by the admin to different customers can be viewed, and admin can edit or delete these details. Under chat, in chat messenger, so we saw that there is a chat option. So whenever the customer makes a chat, that can be viewed by the admin, and the admin and the staff can reply for the chat. So we can see the chat from different customers. If the customer is a registered customer, then the name of the customer can be viewed. If it is not a registered customer, then it is displayed as customer. The chat bot, so there is a bot here, and what does this do is, we can see there is a received message from different customers, and there is a reply for the message. So if the customer says hello, the automatic bot will give the reply as hi, how can I help you. And if let us see, the customer has asked, I need to look for room in Delhi. So the what message we can type, the admin can type as, yeah sure, we can contact to our website if you feel difficult in booking. So here the admin says if they find it difficult to book, they can contact to the website. So this is the automatic message sent when the customer makes this type of messages. So for each message, you can see for thank you, welcome sir message will be sent. So this is the response message for different received messages. Under new chat bot, so here the admin itself can create the chat message and the response message. So if the customer says I'm not able to find the hotel, I'm willing to book, then the response message can be, sure, we can help you. So sure, we can help you if you provide more details. So if the customer messages I'm not able to find the hotel I wish to book, then the response message will be sent. So under view chat message, so here different received messages and what will be the response for that particular messages can be viewed here, and the admin can edit or delete these messages. So for different messages, the different response messages are also sent. So we will know about this when we explain about the customer module. So under reporting customer, so the admin can view the different customers. So here they can edit or delete the customer details. In hotel booking report, here the admin can view different hotel booking records. So what are the hotels booked by different customers, on which date, and what are the check-in and check-out date. All these data is maintained here, and this can be viewed by the admin, and also the receipt also can be viewed. In food order report, the different food items ordered by different customers on different dates as well as time, and what was the cost of the food item and what is the quantity they have ordered. So all the details are viewed here along with the bill number. Under cab booking, so in this report, the cab booked by different customers on different date, and what was the location, to which location they have booked. All these details can be viewed by the admin. And transaction report, here the transactions made by different customers can be viewed. And under view booking records, the hotel booking record, food ordered, cab booking, and what is the total amount they have spent to the hotel, everything can, and to the web page, everything can be viewed here. In billing report, the payment made by the customers can be viewed, and through what means they have made the payment, whether it is a savings account or MasterCard, credit card, Visa. So, and different types of transactions, hotel booking, cab booking, and the total amount can be viewed here. And in feedback, the feedback from the customers can be viewed, and this can be deleted, and this can be viewed in detail by the admin. So let us log out from the admin now. The customer can search for the hotel by selecting the tourism location. They must select the tourism location, then what are the number of adults and what are the number of children's going to travel with them, and what will be the check-in date and what will be the check-out date, that must be entered. On entering all these details and clicking on find hotel, the customers can view the location and they can view the different places they can visit in that particular location. They can also view the reviews of different customers, and they can view the hotel details, that is what is the starting rate for the hotel to book, and they can view the different hotels, and out of which they can select the hotel, and they can view the famous food as well as the cab booking details of that particular location. On clicking on book hotel, they can view the hotels and they can view the hotel details by selecting the hotel and the address of the hotel and the map details, as well as they can search the hotel room types. They can view the room types here. Different types of rooms are available, but if they want to book the room, they must log in or they must register. So on clicking on login, sign in page is available. If the customer is a new customer, then they must register before login. So sign up, where they must enter their name and the email ID. Email ID, the contact number details, and the password and confirm password must be entered. So these are the minimum details asked at the time of registration. Once a customer logs in, they must enter all their personal details. On clicking on register, the customer is registered and they must log in to make the hotel booking. To log in, they must enter the email ID and the password, and once the customer logs in, they must update their profile. So we can see, thanks for registering Atithi Devo Bhava tourism booking portal. Kindly update your profile details. If you need any further assistance, please contact us. So this is a chat agent where the welcome message is available. You can see the name and contact number and the email ID is already present. The customer must enter their address, city and the PIN code. So once the customer profile is updated, again the notification can be viewed that you have not done any bookings yet. Click here to book your travel, and under tourism locations, the different locations can be viewed by the customer, and they can view the notification and click here. On clicking on the link, they are redirected to the main page to search for the hotel. They must select the tourism location and the number of adults as well as the children, and what is the check-in date and check-out date must be entered. On clicking on find hotel, the customer can view the different locations. They can view the hotel details and they can book the hotel by selecting the hotel, and on selecting the hotel, they can view the hotel in detail and they can view all the facilities available, and the different rooms can be searched, as well as they can view all the types of room types available. They must enter the check-in date, check-in time, and under room types they can just click on book room so that their room will be booked. So before making the booking, the review of booking can be viewed, that is the location, hotel name, the room details and what is the facility available in the room, and the address of the hotel, and what are the total payment to be done, that is per day 3,000, so for the 4 days 12,000, and the check-in date, check-out date, and what is the total number of days they are going to stay, and the details of the traveler, that is the name of the traveler and the contact number. All the details must be checked by the customer before continuing. So click here to continue. So here again the customer can view the details, and they must, if they have the coupon, they can enter the coupon. Since the customer is a new customer, they don't have any coupon, so they must make the full payment. To make the payment, they must enter the type of the card and they must select the card type, and they must enter the name of the card holder. The card number must be entered. The card number must contain 16 digits. Once the card number is entered, the CVV number of 3 digits must be entered and the expiry date must be selected. Click on make payment and the payment is done successfully. Once the payment is done, the receipt is available. In the receipt, all the details can be viewed of the customer and the hotel details and the total payment made, as well as the central and state tax to be paid also can be viewed. So this receipt can be printed. Under My Bookings in Hotel Booking Report, here the customer can view the booking report, that is the hotel what they have booked, and they can view its receipt, and there is an option Add Services where they can order the food online or they can rent a car. So let us check on online food order and let's click on Explore. So we can see the food that is available in the hotel, and the customer must enter the quantity. On clicking on click here to order, the customer must make the payment, and before making the payment they must select the delivery date and time, that is on which date they need the food and at what time they need the food to be delivered. And any message can be written, and then the payment must be made by selecting the payment type, and the card holder's name must be entered, and the 16-digit card number and the expiry date of the card is required. Once the expiry date is entered, the CVV number must be entered, and clicking on make payment, the item will be ordered and the payment is done. So we can view the receipt here. So this is about ordering the food. So we saw about ordering the food online. Now let us see how we can book the cab. Under hotel bookings, in Add Services, the one more option which is available is Rent a Car. Click on Explore now. So we can view the car that is available and click here to book, where we can view the details of the customers and the car booking detail, where the booking date, that is on which date the customer needs car and at what time the customer needs the car, and from the hotel to which location the customer wants the car to be booked. That is, they want to travel from hotel to which location and what is the cost for that particular location. So we can see per kilometer it's 60 rupees, and they're selecting the place, that is Wonderla, and it is 26.66 kilometers from the hotel, and the total cost is 1599. And on clicking on continue, the payment must be done by selecting the payment details, that is by entering the cardholder name, card number, the expiry date and the CVV details. So the car will be booked from the hotel to the location the customer wants to travel. Clicking on make payment, the cab booking is done. And the receipt is generated, and this can be viewed and this can also be printed. Along with this, the central and state tax also can be viewed. In food order report, the food order details can be viewed by the customer and the receipt also can be viewed. In cab booking, the cab booking receipt as well as the details of the cab booking can be viewed. In transaction report, the total transactions whatever they have made, that can be viewed. On clicking on view booking, and we can see the room booking cost, food order cost, as well as the cab booking cost. And on clicking on view booking report, the total cost or total expenditure can be viewed by the customer. And in billing report, the total payments whatever they have done through different payment types can be viewed by the customer. Under cancellation report, if the customer has cancelled any of the bookings, they can view it. Since the customer has not cancelled any details, we don't have any record in that particular column. And in my profile, the customer can update their profile, and in change password, the customer can change their password by entering the existing, new and confirm password. Now let us see about the chat window. So we can type, the customer can type hello, and we can see the automatic message is generated, that is hi, how can I help you. So this is from the bot which we saw previously when we saw about the admin module. So here we can see how can I contact you. So this is the bot message which is generated automatically for the message from the customer. This is the response message from the admin or the staff. The customer is typing, I want to know more about the location, and there is no response message for this since it is a new message from the customer. So now let us open the incognito window, and let us open the project in this window, and let us log in as the admin here. So let us log in under staff login. Let us log in as admin by entering the login ID and the password of the admin. So under chat, in chat messenger, the admin can view the customer chat, and they can see the staff, and the admin can reply to the customer's chat message if there is no bot reply found for that particular message of the customer. So here the message what was sent by the customer, that was for that message there was no reply from the bot, since for that reason the customer himself has typed sure we can help you. The customer is typing thank you, and we can see the message welcome sir is generated, which is from the bot, that is the automatic message which is sent. So in view chat, we have already seen for thank you there is a response message welcome, and for how can I help you also there is a response message. So if there is no response message, then the customer or the staff must reply to the staff, and the admin must reply to customer's message. So this is the project. Let us quit from the customer. So thank you for watching the video. For further queries, kindly visit our website. Thank you.